Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to buy hosting from Hostinger with an exclusive discount coupon code. So what you guys have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive special discount link, you will be entitled to a page like this, where you can see already running deal right now. you know you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org and different companies, claiming it is one of the finest pioneer web hosting company. You can see the reviews, they are pretty amazing, very good reviews. If you scroll below, you can see the three most popular plans, but in case if you want to see other plans, you can simply select other plans to buy around. But to buy hosting from Hostinger, I recommend you to offer either of these three plans. Even the premium business plan is sufficient if and almost complete all of your needs. So buy with cautious. You can see all features and see, you are being covered with almost everything in these plans, like we host to 100 websites. You're being provided with SSD or NVMe storage. Hosting a website builder is included, free domain is included. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company to buy hosting from Hostinger, the process is quick and they're gonna do free automatic website migration. They are also including free CDN, managed WordPress is all included. When you buy it from Hostinger, hosting a website builder is amazing. It can create websites in as easy as ABC within clicks of a button. Amazing security features are being added. 30 days money back end is added, and the best thing is that Hostinger has data centers all around in the world, which makes it a perfect option to buy around. And then they also provide maximized website speed, and currently more than 2 million people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, which makes it a perfect option to buy on now. So to get the amazing discount coupon code while buying your hosting from Hostinger is, simply select any plan. Say let's say we're going with this plan, simply select any plan and select the choose plan. Once you select the choose, make sure to click on the link in the description in case if you want to enjoy the special discount. So once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. On that page, you're going to see the summary of what you are going to buy from Hostinger. So you know that the buying procedure is quick and easy, and anyone can buy from Hostinger with a special coupon code. What you guys have to do to ensure the maximum discount is to simply click on the link in the description, plus use either of the two coupon codes, which I'm going to tell you further in this video, through which you can get amazing discounts. Guys, this discount is going to be amazing, and through which you can save a lot of money when you buy hosting from Hostinger. Even I have been using from the last 3 years, and my experience so far is just amazing with Hostinger.